welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. Tender, fall off the bone lamb shank, slowly braised with carrot, celery, onions, and fresh herbs in a rich tomato wine sauce. A rustic yet elegant dish, perfect for a comforting family dinner or a special occasion. Like and subscribe for more content. Instruction: season the shank with salt and white pepper. Lightly dust with flour, shaking off the excess. Heat the vegetable oil in a large skillet over medium-low heat. Fry the shank for 7 to 8 minutes per side until golden brown and crisp. Transfer to a paper towel to absorb excess oil. In a large pot, sauté the carrot, celery, onions, rosemary, sage until fragrant. Add the lamb shank back into a pot, cover and let them steam for 5 minutes. Remove the lid, pour in the white wine and stir to deglaze. Allow the alcohol to evaporate. Add the chicken stock and strained tomato. Stirring to combine. Simmer gently for an hour. Preheat the oven at 370 Fahrenheit, convention roast. Transfer the shank and the sauce to a parchment-lined roasting pan. Cover tightly with a foil and roast for 2 hours. Remove the foil. Season with extra salt and pepper if needed. Turn the shank and roast uncovered for 30 minutes until brown and caramelized. Plate the shank with plenty of sauce and vegetable. Garnish with fresh herbs if desired and serve warm. Bon appetit!